Here I have the Taurus Austin Q3 silicone case, and right away it's clear that this one is all about blending elegance and utility. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. The Q3 silicone is part of the latest Austin series by Taurus. The 3 Soto lines carved into the back panel symbolize the hands of a clock, and the rotating O-ring stand ties into that idea of movement, presence, and time. It's more than a case, it's a small lifestyle tool. I guarantee you're gonna like this. So first impressions, the liquid silicone material is super soft to the touch. It feels like a premium version of the Apple silicone case, but with better grip and more flexibility. If you follow me for a while, you know that I've always loved Apple's silicone cases, but this one is better. The finish is anti-slip, fingerprint resistant, the velvety touch is extremely satisfying, I love the texture, and it has a clean matte look that works together when you're going for a professional vibe or when you're going for something more relaxed. Inside, the microfiber lining protects the back of the iPhone from scratches, and it just feels high-end. Now, protection-wise, this one is military-grade certified with reinforced airbags in all 4 corners. It's drop tested from 12 feet, which is way more than the average cases offer. The raised bezels around the screen and cameras give extra peace of mind too, so even though it looks elegant, it's also built to handle extreme drops. The O-shaped stand on the back rotates 360 degrees and adjusts smoothly. It's built with a precision-engineered hinge that's rated for up to 30,000 folds without loosening over time. I use it all the time to watch videos, to follow my workout plan at the gym, or simply to prop my iPhone up on my desk or while cooking. It's also perfect for hopping on a quick call if you need, and you can use it vertically or horizontally, depending on what you're doing at the moment, and it stands in place. You can also use it as a finger loop to help hold your iPhone more securely when typing or taking pictures. Now, MagSafe is another big win here. The magnetic ring has been upgraded to 18N strength, which is about 40% stronger than the standard cases. It snaps into place with chargers, wallets, and car mounts instantly and doesn't budge at all, even when you're on the go or in the car. I've been using it daily with my MagSafe accessories, and it's reliable every single time. Now, the buttons. This is where I was honestly blown away. They respond incredibly well with a crisp click that it's just satisfying, or even better than actually pressing the iPhone buttons. This is something I always pay attention to because there's nothing more frustrating than cases that make the buttons hard to press. With this one, you don't even think about it, it just works, and honestly, that's something I've noticed across all the Taurus cases I've tested. So no matter which style you end up choosing, you can expect the same level of detail and responsiveness. Cutouts are also spot on for the USB-C port and speakers. The camera module is fully protected with the raised edge, and there's also a new independent metal camera button, which adds the tactile feel and makes it easy to press. The Q3 silicone comes in 3 minimalist neutral tone colors: obsidian black, desert gold, which is this one, and baby blue. All of them look clean and polished, designed to blend with your everyday style or stand out just enough without being too much. The only thing that I noticed that might bother some of you is that the black color tends to attract dust and smudges. You might see a bit of buildup here and there. Nothing major depending on how you use it, but if you're heading to the beach or going on hikes, for example, the black case can pick up a bit more dirt than usual. When using the desert gold, I didn't notice any of these things. Overall, the Q3 silicone is all about elevated everyday use. It's refined, it's durable, and every little detail from the silicone texture to the hinge quality feels like it was carefully considered. If you love the Apple silicone case but want something more functional and impact-proof, this is absolutely it, especially since Apple's own cases don't offer this level of protection or functionality. If you want to check it out, I've added a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Big thanks to Taurus for sponsoring this video and giving me a chance to use the Q3 silicone in my real routine. More reviews coming up soon. See you in the next one. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do and like this video if you enjoyed it.